guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Earl, and I'm right back here with another video tutorial for you guys. By the way, happy new year, happy new month. Oh my god, I know I'm 3 months late to say this, but it's better late than never. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I make this beautiful headboard out of cardboards. Guys, I saw this headboard one day while scrolling on Facebook. I loved it so much and I just had to recreate it for you guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please join the family by clicking that big red subscribe button below this video, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes guys, and if you're just joining me for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Earl and I make videos on natural hair, fashion DIYs, fashion hacks, and lifestyle videos at large. Welcome to my channel, and enough talking, let's get to the video. So I'll start off by joining 3 or 4 cartons together to get the desired thickness I need. And the measurements I'm working with is the size of my bed, which I'll be leaving in the description box below. After getting the desired measurements, all I have to do is just measure 2 inches all around the design of the carton, where I'll be attaching the gold mirror cards. Please don't mind my baby, you know she's always my mini helper. So my bed is 60 inches in width. So obviously this headboard is 60 inches wide. I don't know, say now mathematics is why they run from school go follow me come this life. So I had to do some mathematical, calculations here. The middle part that is bigger is actually 22 inches wide by 40 inches length. The rest of the cardboards are 9 inches wide and 30 inches and 35 inches respectively. So after doing all these measurements and cutting, all I have to do is cut another carton, gum the foam on it separately, just to equally have additional width and heaviness to the headboard so it can stand very well. So after gumming the carton to the foam, I'm going to now take my staple pin, the carpenter staple pin that I use in making the other headboard. I'm just going to take that and staple my fabric together, just as you're going to see me do. So right now I'm just cutting off the excess foams, and mind you, this is 2-inch fabric foam I got from the market here in Lagos, Mushi Market to be specific. So you just get 2-inch foam, or if you want it lighter, you can get a lighter foam. So I'm making use of this velvety sheer fabric, which I also bought in Mushi Market. I'm just going to cut the desired shape and staple everything together. So that's the picture of the headboard I saw on Facebook. I'm just looking at it so I know how to staple it down. Everything is pretty explanatory, guys. Just watch what I'm doing and you will understand it. And please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you're really missing out. Oh, no, I not tell you. Kindly click on that big subscribe button to join the family, and give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. It just tells me that you like seeing this kind of video and I need to do more. So join the family, guys. So right now, after stapling everything down, I realized that if it was still weak, I had to push everything back again and restaple so that I could get a flat and smooth surface. So after doing that, all I have to do is take my hot gum and start gumming the mirror cards all around the 2 inches edges that we drew before. Just like I said, just watch what I'm doing. It's pretty explanatory. I'll just gum the gold mirror cards all around the design of the headboard. Yep, easy peasy. So like you see me do, in order for me not to make mistakes, before I gum the gold mirror cards, I'll take the foam and attach it, place it where I'm gonna gum it on the cardboard, on the cartons I mean, so that I'll get the exact spots and everything is aligned perfectly before I now gum it together. Do you get? So if you know that you cannot get a straight line like me, you have to do this, place the foams on it, so you know that when you're done, there's no carton that's going to show on the surface. So everything will be covered with the gold mirror cards, and the foam will also cover the cartons. I don't know if you understand me, but just watch what I'm doing. It's pretty explanatory, guys. And as you can see, I'm done attaching the gold mirror cards all around the cartons. And oh my god, my headboard is taking shape. So what I'm gonna do is now gum the foams onto the carton, and voila, we're all done. So I'm gonna be using the highest, because I don't want this thing to pull off on me when I'm sleeping, or maybe someone is sleeping on this, the thing will just pull off. So I'm gonna be using the highest degree of power, like fire, in this hot candle gum. So I'm just gonna put it all around and press it and make sure it stays very well. So I'm gonna do that till I finish gumming the whole foam to the cartons. Oh my god, I'm loving it. I'm so loving it, guys. I can't believe I made this just out of cartons, guys. Oh my god, this is pretty easy. And if you've watched up to this point and you're still not subscribed, now, bro, sis, waiting now. Just click on that big red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to join the family, guys. Do not forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. So you see what I meant before when I said that you have to make sure that the carton doesn't show afterward. Just like you're seeing me doing, you can only see the gold mirror cards on the sides and then the foams on top, which makes your job really neat and beautiful. In fact, when my carpenter came, I had to try to get some knowledge on how I'm going to hang this thing on the wall. The guy was shocked. He said, "Madam, you did this?" I said, yes. He was so shocked. So right now I just kept it on top of my bed is just leaning on the wall, but later on I'm just going to screw it to my wall when I actually get my screwing machine. But oh my god, can't you guys see how everything turned out? Oh my god, this is super beautiful. This is just gorgeous. Oh my god, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not. See you all in my next video. Bye.